Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, meet me again, Harun Yasdevo. So, uh, Hi guys, do you ever feel like you work so hard, but your bank account still the same? You get a rise, you get a bonus, but then poof, the money is gone for bill and taxes. If that's you, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing the most important lesson from the legendary book. The title Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book changed the way I think about money, and I think it will change your too. Robert had two dads. His poor dad was a teacher with a high degree, but he always struggled with money. And his rich dad didn't even finish middle school, but he became one of the rich men in Hawaii. The difference was their luck. It was their mindset. Okay, for the first point, that is asset versus liabilities. Lesson number one is the most important. You must know the difference between an asset and an liability. Most people think their house or their new car is an asset, but rich dad say no. Asset puts money into your pocket. Think rent from a house, defense from stock, or side business. A liability, a liability. Take money out of your pocket. Think car loans, credit card debt, or even the house you live in because you have to pay for repairs and taxes. Rich people focus on buying assets, poor people buying liabilities, but they think they are assets. To be rich, you need to collect things that pay you. Second point, work to learn, not to earn. Lesson number two, don't just look for a job with a big salary. Most people work because they need pay heck, but rich that say work to learn, not to earn. Before you take a job, ask yourself, what skill will I learn here? If you want to be a boss, you need to learn how to sell, how to lead, and how to manage people. Don't be afraid to take a job that pays less if it teaches you how to build a business later. Skills are most valuable than a monthly salary. Point number three, the red price. Have you heard of the rat race? It's a cycle. You go to school, get a job, pay bills, and then you buy a bigger TV or a faster car. Now you have more bills, so you have to work even harder. You are trapped. Fear and greed keep people in distress. Fear of not having money and greed for buying things. To look cool, to express the red race. You need financial literacy. You need to understand how money works so it can work for you instead of your working for it. Uh, Point number four, overcoming fear and cynicism. Even if you know these rules, you might still be afraid to start. That's normal. Rich Dad says the biggest difference between rich and the poor is how they handle fear. Losers are so afraid of losing money that they never try. Winners know that losing is part of winning. Don't listen to cynics, the people who say it won't work of it's too risk. If you want to change your life, you have to be brave and stay focused on your goals. The last point, number five, the power of taxes. The last secret is about taxes. The rich are very smart here. They don't work as individuals. They use proportional things about this. A normal work earns money, pay taxes, and then spend what if left. But a business owner earns money, spend it on expense first, and they pay taxes on what is left. By knowing the rules of the game, the rich keep more money in their pocket. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to learn the rules. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Uh, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.